Steve Huber from management, music director, APD. We wanted to have you in because Josh Spiegel's idea for all of us and the station to put together a big truck full of goods for the good people in Houston that need it right now. He conceptualized the idea. We all agreed, came up with stuff, passed it off to you, and then the sentence hadn't left my mouth before you're on the phone calling people.
I tell you, it was easy, like I said earlier, because everybody wants to help. And I reached out to Brad Downs, who's our contact at the Baltimore Ravens, and I know that they were in tight with Von Paris moving and storage. And by the time I got to John Von Paris, he was already doing something, whether we were or not.
Yeah.
So it was just a serendipity that we were ready to fill a truck, and he had a truck that he was ready to fill. So it was really a no-brainer. It just kind of came together.
Yeah, and I got to thank you, Lori, Rick, Carrie, everybody here at the station for making this happen so quickly. But, I mean, we really have to give thanks to the guy that's going to get the supplies down there, and that is Von Paris, celebrating 125 years in Maryland. Thank you again, Von Paris, Moving and Storage. John joins us on the phone. John, good morning, bud.
Good morning. How are you?
Man, yesterday you probably heard our voices break a little bit in that meeting because we've tried to arrange charities for stuff before. We did the car wash for the Tiana Foundation. They were great to work with. We've done some stuff for Barks. They're always great to work with. And we haven't worked alongside you before to put together something like this. And the only word we heard coming out of your mouth for 15 minutes was yes. Yes, yes. What do you need? Yes, yes, and yes. And we can't thank you enough for being so flexible and so willing to get these supplies down there.
Well, really, first, I just want to say I salute 98 Rock and the Hearst Corporation. You guys are doing tremendous work to get the word out. Without you, it wouldn't happen. And we're glad to play a role. I think, from our perspective, we want to be involved. We want to help in the community. It's kind of a tradition with our company. We were most recently with the Hurricanes Katrina and Sandy. We were involved in that. But I think, certainly the victims need these supplies. But also, I think, when they see a truck coming in from another community, 1,600 miles away from another state, I think it's uplifting, and I think it's very meaningful.
Yeah, we're just so appreciative that, it's kind of hard to get a hold of a truck the size of the one that we were able to. Thank you. I believe we're going to get a 53-footer, you were saying?
Yes, you're going to have a 53-foot trailer and with the roll-up door in the back. And it holds about a little over 4,000 cubic feet.
Wow.
So to put it in perspective, a kitchen chair is about 5 cubic feet.
So this is going to be a lot of supplies. We're going to have this trailer parked out front of High Top starting next Wednesday. Kirk and Marianne are going to kick it off 3 o'clock, and then we are going to be live on the air Wednesday, overnight into Thursday, Thursday, overnight into Friday. Ourselves, the morning show, Amelia, Nikki, and Jen are going to be doing their part from the other coast. We're going to have people doing overnights. We're going to stay on the air all the way up until countdown to kickoff with Biffy Clyro and Shinedown to get this thing full and to get this thing sent all the way down to the Houston region. Again, thank you very much to the good folks at Steve Huber, I'm sorry.
It's Austin Disaster Relief.
Austin Disaster Relief. Yes, thank you so much. Got all the information in front of me right here. Austin Disaster Relief. They're going to help to spread the supplies that we're getting out there.
Hey, John, I know that you're seriously involved in this cause and want to do it. And I just have to tell you, after we hung up yesterday, I called the people at the Austin Disaster Relief Fund, and I almost couldn't even get the information I needed from them because they kept stopping every sentence to thank us and to say God bless, and I can't believe you're doing this. I can't believe our reach has gotten all the way up to Baltimore. I mean, it was really touching, and I thought you'd want to know that.
Wow, and that is really amazing.
Yeah, it's just it's around here, shades of Ellicott City. We're only about a year removed from. I remember the community came together. We did something again with the good folks over at High Tops who are always more than willing to open their doors to us, to open their facilities, to allow us to broadcast. So again, thank you very much to High Tops for essentially letting that become, 98 Rock's sister site for the better part of 3 days. And we're going to park that big old truck out front. I can't wait to meet the dude that's going to drive this truck.
Seriously, 53 feet.
Yeah, the dude that's going to drive this thing down there, you let me know. What do they need? Neck pillow, massaging leg device, something that they can put their feet in like a sitz
Butt donut,
bath.
yeah,
Butt
yeah.
donut. What do they want? Do they need a Nintendo Switch, an assortment of vitamin waters?
Driving gloves.
Driving
There we
gloves, yes. Baby driver style driving gloves and glasses so they can drive down there in abject comfort.
I think our drivers are going to be standing in line now for that.
Yeah, we want to get them all taken care of. And again, John, just thank you for yesterday. Thank you for making this happen at a moment's notice. Sometimes we got to jump through a lot of hoops. We get a whole lot of, well, if I do this, what can you do for me afterwards? We didn't hear a syllable of that from you. It was just, where do you need me to park the truck? We'll fill it up. I got a guy to drive it. Thank you so much. 125 years in business, Von Paris Moving Storage. Thank you so much, John.
Our pleasure. Thank you.
We appreciate it. All right, all the details are at 98online.com. Starting next Wednesday, we're going to be parked out front of High Tops, and we're going to stay on the air all the way through countdown to kickoff. And we'll drive this thing right out of the lot and get all the stuff to people that need it. Bottled waters, diapers, baby formula, box fans, air mattresses, bedding, and pillows. 98online.com with the details.